I am going to explain sums based on method to find complementary function. Before watching my further video, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let us start now. What is the question given here? D square y by dx square minus dy by dx minus 6y, which is equals to 0. What is given here? D square y by dx square minus dy by dx minus 6y, which is equals to 0. As we discussed in our earlier video about method to find complementary function stepwise. So now let us solve this sum using those steps. First, what we have discussed in the earlier video, step 1. What we have discussed, we have to write the given equation in the operator form. What is the operator form? F of d equals to 0. Now, so therefore f of d equals to, here since d by dx equals to d, here d means d by dx equals to d. Now how we can write this? D square minus d minus 6. We are taking y as common, which is equals to 0. Now how we can write this? F of d equals to d square minus d minus 6, which is equals to 0. Now according to step 2, what we have to do? We have to write the auxiliary equations. That is, so what is the auxiliary equation? The auxiliary equation is f of m equals to 0. Since we have to substitute d equals to m. So in the place of d, what we have to substitute? M. Now this can be written as m square minus m minus 6, which is equals to 0. This is the auxiliary equation. Now, according to step 3, we have to find the roots of this auxiliary equation. So, how we can find here? What is the auxiliary equation? M square minus m minus 6, which is equals to 0. So, here, how we can find the roots? M square minus what is given here? 6. So, minus 3m, 3 2s are 6. Minus 3m plus 2m. Now, 3 2s are 6. Minus 3m plus 2m. How much here? Minus m. Minus 6, which is equals to 0. 3 2s are 6. Minus 3m plus 2m. Minus m. Now, here we can take m common. M into m. M square. Minus, as it is, 3. 3 into m. 3m. Plus, what is the sign here? Plus 2. We have to take 2 common here. 2 into m, 2m, plus into minus, minus. 2 3s are how much? 6. 2 3s are 6, which is equals to 0. So that implies here m plus 2 into, what is common here? M minus 3, m minus 3 is common. M plus 2 into m minus 3, which is equals to 0. So that implies here, what are the roots? M equals to minus 2. Here m plus 2 equals to 0 means, what we will get here? M equals to minus 2 comma m equals to 3. These are the roots of the auxiliary equation. What are those roots? M equals to minus 2 comma 3. Next. So according to step 4, these roots are real and distinct. These both roots are different. Both are real and different. Therefore, these roots are real and distinct. Therefore, general solution is yc equals to c1 e power m1x plus c2 e power, both roots are there, so up to c2 plus c2 e power m2x. So that implies, if in the case roots are real and distinct means, what is the complementary function here? Yc equals to c1 e power m1x plus c2 e power m2x. So that implies here yc equals to c1 e power, what is m1 here? Minus 2. Minus 2 into x plus c2 as it is e power, what is m2 here? 3. E power 3x. This is the solution. Next sum. What is the question given here? D cube y by dx cube minus 3dy by dx plus 2y, which is equals to 0. So what is given here? D cube y by dx cube minus 3 into dy by dx plus 2y equals to 0. This is the given equation. Now we have to write this given equation in the operator form. So how we should write it here? d cube minus 3d plus 2. What is common here? Y is common, which is equals to 0. Therefore, so here f of d equals to d cube minus 3d plus 2, which is equals to 0. Now we should write this equation into auxiliary form. So what is the auxiliary equation here? M cube minus 3m plus 2, which is equals to 0. Now we can solve this auxiliary equation by synthetic division method. So now by synthetic division method, how we can do this? What is given here? M cube means 1. Square is not given. So in the place of square, what we are taking here? 0. Next, minus 3m, minus 3. Next, plus 2. So what we have to take here? Root m equals to 1. If we substitute m equals to 1 in this equation, so we have to substitute the suitable root by which the equation is equals to 0. So what is the root we are taking here? 1. If we substitute here 1, it is given here m cube minus 3m plus 2 equals to 0. So here m cube means what we are substituting here? 1. 1 cube minus 3. 3 into 1 plus 2, which is equals to 0. So 1 minus 3 plus 2, which is equals to 0. 1 minus 3 plus 2. How much? Minus 1. 1 minus 1 means 0. 0 equals to 0. So here this m equals to 1 is a suitable root. So which is equals to 0. So we are taking here m equals to 1. So according to synthetic division, what we have to take here? 0. 0. How much? 1. So we have to multiply here. 1 ones are 1. Next, 0 plus 1. How much? 1. 1 ones are 1. Next, minus 3 plus 1. How much? Minus 2. Next, minus 2 into 1. How much? Minus 2. So minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2. How much? 0. Next, according to this, what we can take here? Root m equals to 1. If we take here m equals to 1, this is a suitable root which is equals to 0. Next, according to this, we have to take again 0. 1 plus 0. How much? 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 plus 1, how much? 2. 2 ones are 2. Minus 2 plus 2, how much? 0. So what is the equation here? M plus 2 equals to 0. So this can be written as m equals to minus 2. Now what are the roots here? M equals to 1, comma, m equals to 1, comma, minus 2. So here roots are real and equal. So here two roots are equal. One root is different. Therefore the roots are equal. Therefore here the roots are equal. Next, what we have to find? General solution. Therefore general solution is yc equals to c1 plus c2x into e power x plus c3 into e power mx. So that implies here yc equals to c1 as it is c1 plus c2x into e power x, because here both roots are equal, plus c3 into e power, what is m here? Minus 2. Minus, what is m here? Minus 2. Minus 2x. This is the solution. Here, so here both roots are equal. Next, what is the different root here? Minus 2. So c3 into e power, what is m here? Minus 2 into x. This is the solution. Let us discuss one more sum based on case 3. Next, what is given here? Solve d square by dx square plus dy by dx plus y equals to 0. So here given equation is d square y by dx square plus dy by dx plus y equals to 0. Now we have to write the given equation in the operator form. So d square plus d plus 1. You have to take y common, which is equals to 0. So f of d can be written as f of d equals to d square plus d plus 1. Now we have to write this in the auxiliary form. So auxiliary equation is f of m equals to 0. So here m square plus m plus 1 equals to 0. So this is the formula for finding the roots. So what is the formula? M equals to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac under root by 2a. So here what is a? A equals to 1, b equals to 1. A equals to 1, b equals to 1 and c is also equals to 1. Now we have to substitute this ABC values in the formula. So here m equals to, what is b? Minus 1 plus or minus, what is b? 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 1 under root by 2 into, what is a? 1. So that implies here m equals to minus 1 plus or minus 1 minus 4 by 1 minus 4 under root by 2. So that implies here so that implies m equals to minus 1 plus or minus 1 minus 4. How much? Minus root 3 by 2. So that implies m equals to minus 1 plus or minus. So this minus root 3 can be written as I root 3 by 2. So that implies m equals to, this we can write as minus 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2, comma minus 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2. So these are the roots of the equation. So therefore the roots are complex and conjugate. So these roots are complex and conjugate. So if roots are complex and conjugate, then what is the general solution? What is the complementary function here? Yc equals to, therefore general solution is Yc equals to e power ax into c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx. So that implies Yc equals to e power, what is a here? Minus 1 by 2 means x by 2. So what is a here? Minus 1 by 2. A means 1. So minus x by 2 into c1 as it is. Cos, what is b here? Root 3 by 2. Cos root 3 by 2 into x plus c2 into sin, what is b? Root 3 by 2 into x. This is the solution.